Naam, sasa tuangazie Friends School Kamusinga kutoka kaunti ya Bungoma ambao wanajiandaa kwa mashindano ya kitaifa upande wa vikapu. Hao wanasema pia kwamba hawaendi Mombasa tu kutalii, manake wajua jiji lile la Mombasa lina ufuo wa bahari, yani maeneo tu ya kujimwamwa. Wanasema sisi hatuendi Mombasa kutalii, bali tunaenda kutetea hadhi ya shule hii, hadhi ya Friends School Kamusinga katika mchezo wa vikapu. Tuwasikize.
Asubuhi tunaamka ili tujikakamue tupate kupata hiyo nguvu ya kusukumana na wenzetu walio kwenye mchuano wa nationals. Timu zinazokuja mkuwe tayari kwa sababu Friends School Kamusinga tuko tayari.
We've taken a few trophies. We've been in tournaments in Nairobi. We have a couple of trophies around here which we got this year. But the most important thing is that after that we prepared our teams. We've invested in them. It's not easy. There's a lot of investment both in terms of financial, emotional, social. Our teachers are here. They come over weekends at games time. They're stretching. My coaches of basketball and hockey, at 5 in the morning you'll see them with the boys after they have done their prep. They're doing a bit of morning run. It is amazing because it's a lot put in by both teachers and students. It's not something we just come up and we say we are succeeding. There's a lot that goes in terms of it, and we are happy that at the regionals recently in Busia, we had our 3 participating teams. We had our swimming team, basketball team, and hockey team. All these teams were finalists. In fact, in swimming, out of the 15 possible positions to the nationals, we scooped 11. In basketball, we had to do a magic over Sigalame, which had beaten us last year, and we went to the drawing board, and this time round we beat them at the home ground. It wasn't easy because that was their home turf, and the crowds were cheering them. I almost took off as a principal because basketball is a crazy game to watch.